See the people, breaking news. Me think Shelian Allen talk. The Jamaican cop that has been caught with smuggling over 1,000 grams of cocaine was sentenced today, ladies and gentlemen. And me want to know if you hear the sentence where she get. Greetings and salutations to all Melanation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of the approach TV, your favorite Jamaican. Hit that red subscribe button, become a part of the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. Rotted. Shelian Allen. Me not talk about the sprint champion Shelian Fraser. Shelian Allen, the 42-year-old Jamaican policewoman charged with smuggling more than 1,000 grams of cocaine into the United States of America, has been sentenced today. And our sentence seems to be light to me. Me no know if I talk, she a talk. How much years you think she'll get for smuggling 1,000 grams of cocaine into the United States? She has been sentenced to nearly 3 years in prison. Nearly 3 years. 3. The magnitude of the charges: 2 counts of importing 500 grams or more of cocaine and possession with intent to distribute 500 grams or more, suggested that Allen could have faced up to 40 years in federal prison if convicted. Allen was, however, served 33 months. You hear what me say, people? I am talking about Shelian, the Jamaican police that smuggled over 1,000 grams of that diet cocaine in the United States. She has been sentenced only to 3 years. Actually, it's 33 months, which she already served about 5 to 6 months already. The magnitude, they says, of the charges: 2 counts of importation of 500 grams of kilo or more, and the intent to distribute over 500 kilo or more. Grams. Kilograms. It's suggested that she could have faced it up to 40 years. Allen will, however, serve only 33 months. The policewoman admitted to arriving from Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood airport, flight from Montego Bay, St. James, February 3rd, which she package of cocaine in her body cavity and inside of her bra cup. Allen also had 90 pills of packed diet cocaine inside of her stomach. The policewoman had more than 1,000 grams of that diet coke on or inside of her body. As part of the guilty plea, Allen admit the following. On February 3rd, Allen arrived at Fort Lauderdale Airport, Hollywood International, on a flight from Montego Bay, Jamaica. An inspection by the Custom and Border Patrol, CBP, revealed that Allen had a package of cocaine inside of her vaginal passage. Them call that the pom-pom of Jamaica. The vagina, and a package of cocaine, the Diet Coke, Coca-Cola, inside of her bra cup. Allen also had 90 pellets of package of that Diet Coke inside of her stomach, which she had swallowed. The Custom and Border Patrol officers took Allen to a local hospital where she expelled either vomit or poo-poo it out. 90 pellets. 90 pills. In all total, Allen had over 1,000 grams of that Diet Coke on or inside of her body when she entered the United States, about 200 in her vaginal passage. about 143 grams in her bra, and about 690 grams in her stomach. She was initially scheduled to be sentenced by the United Justice, the judge, Rudolfo A. Ruiz II, and the sentencing was postponed on June 15 in the Federal District Court of Fort Lauderdale. The Miami field officer of the Homeland Security Investigation investigated the case. The CBP, which is the Custom Border Patrol, assisted in the matter. Assistant U.S. Attorney William T. Shockley prosecuted the case. An idiot prosecutor that. 1,000 grams of the Diet Coke in or on. But anyway, I know what happened. I sing, she a sing like a bird. Do you hear that word? Meaning she a informer. You know, say that is no him no play. A shitty boom boom dang. You hear what I said? Dirty cop scam out the people them of 1.something million dollar worth of US money, and still go on pon the Diet Coke run, get catch, make deal now with feds, get only 33 months, probably going to say our life is in danger, foreign we buy her out. In farming work I deal it. And them say crime no pay. Then if you tell me say me can smuggle 1,000 grams of the Diet Coke to foreign, get catch, and spend less than 4 years in a jail, and then probably claim say, yo, there's gonna be a hit for me, and me stay a foreign. And what do you man? The man them a reward criminals worldwide. I'm just reporting the news. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jamaican cop charged with smuggling over 1,000 grams of the Diet Coke from Montego Bay, St. James, to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, USA, got a measly slap on the hand of 33 months. Holy boy food I go get nyam now. If I did one man, them dash you well for at least 6. Do you hear what I say? She was up to get 40 years max and got a measly 33 months, which she already did about 5. She probably are going to do 2 years for smuggling 1,000 grams and conning people out of 1.23 million US. She probably going to get extradited though. Listen, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you think Officer Shelian Allen I work with the US feds now. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and more happiness. I'm reporting the news, ladies and gentlemen, here from the Deep Road Studio. Jamaican cop Shelian Allen has been sentenced to 33 months for smuggling 1,000 grams of Diet Coke into the United States in or on her. More life, more joy. Let me know if you think that she a chat. Let me know if you think that she cut a deal. You know what I feel. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, my name is Shelian and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.
Remember when you subscribe, they hit the bell so you can hear what go on when Rasta tell. The way things are going from Billy, Boy, where things are going, me can't believe. 33 months for bringing 1,000 gram. Sinting in a sinting.